Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. Sign in with your Google account and enable AI Studio for the selected cloud project. Once done, make sure billing and IAM roles allow model creation and storage use. Next, create a new AI Studio workspace and pick the model family and region that match latency and compliance needs. Don't delay on quotas. Request increases if required. Finally, configure compute. Choose CPU or GPU. Set disk size and name the run so you can find it later. Now you prepare data and training, upload cleaned, labeled datasets in supported formats and define train/validation/test splits. Then configure training parameters, epochs, batch size, learning rate, based on dataset size and model complexity. Start a training job and watch live logs and resource metrics to catch bottlenecks early. If loss stalls or overfits, reduce learning rate or add regularization. Make frequent checkpoints and export models to cloud storage so you can roll back or resume without losing progress. To finish, deploy the trained model to an endpoint and configure auto-scaling plus traffic split for canary releases. Run validation tests against real inputs and monitor latency, error rates, and costs so you don't exceed budget. If responses are off, inspect serving logs, check input per processing, and confirm tokenization or feature pipelines match training. When needed, roll back to a previous checkpoint or redeploy with adjusted hyperparameters. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify input shape and types first. Mismatches cause most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.